Hi crafty friends, Melissa Minor here. Thanks so much for joining me on my YouTube channel. Today I am unboxing another Brutus Monroe Inspiration Team box. And this box is totally groovy. You'll see the theme here. There is so much grooviness going on, free-spirited, there's lots of florals. So let's go ahead and jump in and take a look at everything I received. I will have affiliate shopping links listed down below in the description box if you're interested. I do appreciate when you shop my links, as I do receive a small commission and no extra charge to you. All right, let's go ahead and get to looking at these items. So this first item here, and I apologize, I moved my camera around just a little bit to bring it into a better focus. But this first stamp here on the top, I've got this stamp set called Brighter Day. You can see here cute little flower in the center, and then the sentiments say, "You make my day brighter, and thank you for sharing your world." So that's super cute. The next item I have here is called Be Okay, and it's this little stamp set with like an okay sign. Everything's gonna be okay. This is called Kitty Heart, and it's got little kitty cats in the heart shape there, and it says, "Thanks for helping me out." And then there's little cats along in a line. I love this. We love kitty cats, so I can't wait to use that. Now, these are foilable card panels, and these are called Flower Power. So they're 4 1/4 by 5 1/2, so they're the size of a card front. You get 4 designs, and there's 2 of each. And these do have color on them, but then you can run these through your ink machine with foil. So I can't wait to try these out to see what happens when I put the foil over these. So stay tuned to my channel, and if you don't follow me on Facebook and on Instagram, I would love for you to follow me there, as you can see some inspiration for using these products all through the month of April and probably through May too, because I received a big box of items. I'm very grateful. This next item is a mixed media stencil, and this is called Ring of Fire. So this is going to be fun to play with some inks and some mixed media products. This next one here is called Rock Memories. So it's a big stamped image, and you can see here there's like a old-time car in the bottom, and there's a piano and some cassette tapes and things. So this is really fun. I really like this. This is unique. This is a cutting die, and it's called Barbecue. So you can see here it has all the images for you to cut out to put on your grill. And you can see here this coordinates with summer combo clippings and vintage patio paper. But here's a look at all the dies you receive. You get a lot of dies in this set, so that's a really good one. And I can't wait to use that on some summer cards. And then this next one I have here, let me get this back in the package before I move on. Don't want to lose anything. This one is called New Day. So you can see here some rings or some wreaths. And it says, "You make me smile. Hello, my friend. Today is a new day, and today we celebrate." And then there's also the coordinating dies for each of these. So for each of the sentiments and the wreaths. And then there's also this really cool stencil that you can stencil all these little florals along your wreaths. So that's going to be fun to use. I really like that. And let's see here. This next one is the paper, and this is called Orange Glow. It's a 6 by 6 inch paper collection. There's 12 patterns. You receive 4 of each of the designs. And so there's 24 sheets in here. So here's an up close look at all of them. And you can see, you know what, let me just open these up to give you a closer look. I'm just going to flip through these quickly so that you can see. So this is like the A side. So this is a little more wild and fun and groovy. And then the back, this is probably more my style. You can see here coordinates with these colors from Brutus Monroe. I like how they include that. And then this is the B side, which is a little bit more toned down. But these are really fun. And I love this orange color. I've been using orange a lot more, I've noticed, in my cards and in my scrapbook layouts. So I'm excited to use this collection along with all the groovy things included. Okay, and then this is another mixed media stencil, and this is called Geo Leaves. So again, we can use inks and pastes and sprays and all the things on that. This is called Pirate Party, and there's lots of different pirates and all the little icons. It's a pirate party, ahoy matey, may your compass be true, be who you arg, and savvy. And there's tons and tons of dies in here. So that's a cute collection. And then this doesn't look like much from here, but wait till you see all the samples that are made with this. This is called Lava Lamps Die Set. So you get all the pieces to make different kinds of lava lamps. So this is really cool. I cannot wait. I think I might use that one first. And then here, this is the Brutus Monroe washi sheet. It's called Free Spirited. And let's see here, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 strips of washi, and then you receive 2 of each of these. So there's 2 sheets in the package, and these are washi strips. So you can use these on your cards or scrapbook layouts. So these are really fun. So that's a look at everything that I received in my design team box for this month. And I can't wait to get started and playing with these products. If you saw something that you like, be sure to shop my links down below, and I would love to see what you create with these items. Thanks so much. Oh, let me know what your favorite item is from this release here. Leave me a comment down below. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. Bye.